Hello guys, in this video I want to talk about the Remini application, basically what you can do with it, what this application is about, and why it is so much fun. Now, in my opinion, it is a really fun app because you can either enhance your pictures or just create basically new pictures with the help of the AI out of existing ones. So for example, this is an AI generated picture of me, and I can even enhance it. Unfortunately, since I don't have the premium version of this app, I'm not paying the premium option. I can only enhance it with watching an ad. So now that the app is over, you can see how you can enhance the picture basically. This is the original on the left side, and this is the enhancer. Basically, you just make it more clear and remove the defects, so to say. So it's interesting. You can have the sizes here, the background blur, the colors, and all of the other settings that it is shown there. Now, if you want to save it, you have to click on that arrow basically that points downwards at the top of your right corner. And if not, you just exit and go out, and even here it will ask if you want to exit or save the photo. In this case I just want to exit. And you have also other options just like basically the AI photos, like here if you already have basically a profile set up with 8 pictures, you can choose a style, either a video or just different styles here. And for example this one, and use this preset to generate 8 images of you basically based on what pictures you have selected. Now, just like I mentioned, you have to select 8 pictures out of your gallery in order to do this, but basically once you select a preset, basically it will ask you to select those 8 images. You will select all of them, and the images will be created in the style that you have selected. So shortly, this is all this what's the app about. It's not very complicated, it's very interesting and definitely a lot of fun to use. So I recommend to everybody, and I hope this video was helpful, and see you next time. Bye bye.